Forgot where you kept your chargers? Tired of messy cables on your desk? Still using multiple chargers for various devices? Well, this kind of problem needs a modern solution. And the solution is Zechin 3-in-1 charging station, which can juice up your multiple devices effortlessly at the same time. In today's video, we're going to test and review the Zechin 3-in-1 charger to show you if it's worth it or not. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, let's see what's inside the box. After opening it, you'll get a user manual, an adapter with a cable to power up the charger, and finally, the charging station itself. Okay, starting with the design, at first glance, its nice and glossy stainless steel feels pretty solid and can give you a premium vibe on your desk. Flip it over and at the bottom, you can locate a specially designed heating emission hose to tackle the heating problems of wireless charging. Also, we have a groove under this charger to power it up while maintaining the flat surface. Then on the bottom again, we have 4 rubberized pads which do a great job sticking on the table and won't accidentally slip away. Anyway, the difference between 5-in-1 and 3-in-1 is you cannot slide the charging pad up and down, so keep that in mind. You won't be able to juice up your smartphone horizontally. Furthermore, this charging station comes in a few different colors including baby blue, crystal purple, matte black, pearl white, and space silver. So you have plenty of options to choose from to match your style. Let's put it to some use and see what happens. Although this charger is mainly designed for Apple devices with MFI certification, but you can still charge Qi-enabled wireless charging devices. Once you place your smartphone on the pad, this charger can deliver up to 18 watts of power output. For the iPhone, it supports 7.5 watts of wireless charging, 5 watts for AirPods, 2.5 watts for Apple Watch, and 10 watts for other smartphones. Anyway, while you put your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch, it will instantly detect the device and will start charging. Here, what we like is that this charger can juice up all 3 devices at the same time without breaking a sweat. Also, another thing we like about this is the ease of use, and you don't have to worry about your devices while charging. So, that was all about our thoughts on the Zechin 3-in-1 charging station, which has an amazing design, affordable price tag, and can juice up multiple devices at the same time without causing any issues. So, if you want all of these in a single charger, it can be a great addition to your desk. Let us know your thoughts on this wireless charger, as we would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.